Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you're enjoying this beautiful Friday. The boys are here trying to pull the garage out of the back 40, so let's catch that. Was it frozen in the ground? Oh, dude. Last piece of the puzzle. You don't know how many people have asked me what's happening with that garage. Let's go check on Ben. See how he's doing. There's the water lines. That guy up there. It's a sour guy up there. Okay. Oh boy. Hold L9 1000 back. Is she gonna fit, boys and girls? Like there's lots of room. Oh, well, there's enough room to get by for sure. Let's go bug Ben. See how this big wall's going. It rained yesterday and froze, so everything's covered with quarter inch of ice. Checking on Ben's big wall. Damn, brother. Oh, they got her out. Oh yeah. Yeah, they got her out. Nobody lost anything, dude. No, it's not. Yeah, we forgot to mention when they were initially pulling it out, it was frozen in the ground and they snapped their winch cable, so they just tied a knot in her and sent it. Uh-oh. The electrical guy's here. He's a real prick. He's a real prick. What's going on, brother? Lots of room there. Guy. How much room on this side? Oh, Jesus. Woohoo. No, the light was from the wind. Oh, just enough, boys. Just enough. You know what? Once the garage was on, it wouldn't have been possible. Oh, maybe you could have came this way, I guess. But yeah, just enough room. All right, welcome back to the Four Acre Life channel. And we're gonna stand this big ass wall right now. going on, guys? We're gonna stand some more walls right away. Just need a quick jav and we'll get right to it. All right, so I'll see you on the floor. Guys, the sunroom that's been added. This is what she freaking looks like. Pretty slick. Yeah, that carries on 4-season sunroom, just at a different grading on the bottom of that. So deck piles, muddy ass feet, that's for damn sure. Scrape those pricks off. Holy, it's gonna be a bad spring around here. But anyways, that's what you're looking at there. Pretty cool. What's up, Malls? The other guys are working on the garage grade beams and the front stairs. So, but yeah, that's kind of what's going on around here. Mal, are you coming in? Oh boy. Let's just get through spring and have everything dry out. Because this guy, not a big fan of mud. Hey, but what can you do? It's new construction. Anyways, I'm taking off. Gonna go see the kids. Hope you guys have a good day. All right, welcome back to another day at the 4 Acre Life channel. We're gonna stand another wall, folks. Let's jav up and get her done. Go check on Big Daddy Ray here, see how much mud he's brought me. It's a busy day over here at the old 4 Acre Life. See how they're making out. Holy shit, man. Oh, look at the mud. There he is. Phew. Fuck. Camera just pinched me.
Watch your fingers.
Fuck, she just pinched me, bud. Ouch. Oh, it's getting greasy. Oh well.
Look at that, eh? Look at all the dirt.
Fuck, man. That's all good. We'll use it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, how long are you guys hauling for?
I would say maybe another hour.
Okay, sounds good, dude. Yeah. Beauty. Welcome to my YouTube channel now.
And then after and I'll let you know when it will be the next time.
Sounds good. Okay, well I can square up after this round if you need me to. Just send me.
Well,
you know, I like to keep my budgets going, you know. 1,000 here, 1,000 there, 1,000 there.
Okay, I'll do that.
Let me know. Yeah. Okay, cool. Beauty. Beacons are back. These boys are hard at her on the concrete, man. We're gonna pour some concrete tomorrow, sunroom and the garage. I'm also making dirty burgers for everybody, which I'm gonna show you on how I do that, so stay tuned. Anyways, the wife, I'll let you go. Hey guys, welcome back to the 4 Acre Life channel. Today we're pouring concrete, but first we're whipping up lunch for all these hard-working individuals. And what we got on the menu are dirty Oklahoma smash onion burgers. Let's get her done. I'm gonna do up the bacon. I'm starting to prep, got my onions prepped. We're gonna do 3-ounce, 2 3-ounce patty burgers. We're gonna weigh them out, get them in balls, we'll smash them up later. Cook to order. But yeah, we're just prepping now. I think we're gonna eat around noon, so I don't know, time-lapse me cooking bacon. Let's do it. All right, so we're just weighing these suckers out, getting them all ready to go. You know, that. I'm gonna count and see how many burgers are actually doing. I think there's like 10 people coming today. You know, truth be told, I have always wanted to open up like a pop-up burger kind of stand here on the property. You know, come ride your Harley over, burger, beer, premium burger and a beer for 20 bucks. Oh, I can eat a little bit more on that one, you know? I think that'd be freaking cool as hell. Check on our bacon here. Okay, pull those off. They're donezo, right? There we go. These are all done. Nice bacon from Miller's Meats here. Oh yeah, Bubs. Look at that shit. Oh, never a dull moment. Somebody mugging ya. Don't worry, it's just the builder. All right. I don't know why I always got my shades on in here, but either way, let's cook some boigas. Here we go. When that light turns off, we're fucking, oh sorry for the F-bomb. We're going. I'm gonna get this set up here, guy. Show you how we do this around here, kids. Hey, get you down low. Here we go. Getting hot. Test onion. Yeah. Not yet. Bring you back when she's ready. All right, guys, I got a little busy on the grill there. I kind of forgot about filming some of it, but anyways, concrete trucks are here, so let's go see what's happening. Spooling up. Here we go. So we're pouring the grade beam for the garage. Show you what that looks like. Shit, yeah. Oh yeah. This thick son of a gun here. Sick. Looks like we're gonna start at the back. To the grade beam for the garage. How you doing? Come on, GoPro, get your shit together with your batteries. They suck in the cold.